Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass. The alphabet, letter N.
Hi friends, welcome to another fun letter adventure. Today we're learning about the marvelous letter N. Let's explore words that start with N.
N is for nest. Birds build nests using twigs, leaves, and even fur. Each bird species has its own unique way of making a cozy home for their eggs. N is for night. Did you know that crickets sing at night by rubbing their wings together? The warmer the night, the faster they chirp. N is for nuts. Squirrels are experts at hiding nuts for the winter, but they often forget where they put them. And that's how new trees grow. N is for nose. A dog's nose is super powerful. It can smell thousands of times better than a human's, and each dog's nose print is as unique as a fingerprint. N is for numbers. Some animals, like parrots and dolphins, can actually recognize numbers and count small amounts. Pretty smart for our animal friends.
We had so much fun learning about the letter N. See you next time for more alphabet adventures. Bye for now.